Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Grip. Grip means grasp tightly. For example, his knuckles were white as he gripped the steering wheel. His knuckles were white as he gripped the steering wheel. Synonyms: grasp, clutch, hold.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. He grabbed her wrists and gripped them tightly. Now, repeat after me. He grabbed her wrists and gripped them tightly. The second exemplar. Martina tightly grips the handle of her briefcase. Now, repeat after me. Martina tightly grips the handle of her briefcase. The third exemplar. He sat straight as his hands gripped the steering wheel tightly. Now, repeat after me. He sat straight as his hands gripped the steering wheel tightly.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
English is spoken by 952 million people around the world. 339 million people speak English as a first language, and 603 million speak it as a second language. It is the official language in 67 countries and 27 non-sovereign countries such as Hong Kong.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.